Alright everyone, this is session 4 intro, and I'm going to be describing real quick what we're going to be doing during session 4 so that everyone is on the same page. And if you don't need this part of the tutorial, you can skip it or you can just continue with this because it's going to be real interesting. I recommend that you do. So basically for session 4, which is called Towers, we're going to be doing 4 short sessions because of course we're just going to be coding different behaviors. So basically we're creating different types of towers for our game. We're going to be creating an arrow tower, a bomb tower, and a freeze tower. Or of course we need the base tower script, which will be first developed on session 4.1, and then we will continue to make it better and better during 4.2, 4.3, and 4.4 depending on the tower. And of course we will, the way this will work is that we can click on these spaces over here. They have colliders, so we will be able to click on them and decide through UI which tower we want to place on that spot. And that's basically it. It's not going to be that complicated. The towers are going to detect enemies around them, or rather grab the first enemy that comes into range and attack it. And the base is also going to be basically a tower, but that will be that probably will be added in the session 4.1. We're going to be adding some attacks from the base itself, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys have understood everything. I'm going to click so that we can see the way that the enemies get generated, the way they follow the path. We have pathing, we have navigation, we have this timings, we have enemy index per timing, and these guys are just awesome enemies. And this was very strange. Okay, so cool. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. We'll be right back.